If you are considering to rent a house that has back garden where you can do your barbecue and your owambe, not only having a house that has back garden where it ends, no. Just remember that you're going to clear the back garden. Do you have strength to do the work? Are you sure you have the strength to do the work? This is the sword. So this is the time of the year where you get the work done. If you live in the UK, you know that summer, the whole grasses is green, thick, and it grows very fast. But when it is winter, that is rainy season, the whole grasses will die. They're not going to have strength again. They will shed off their leaves. Everywhere will be like a harmattan in Nigeria. Okay, so every summer the whole grasses are green. It grows very fast. But when it is summer, when it is a winter, that is the rainy season, everything dies. So this time, come, let's do what you're supposed to do, as is summer and it's that time of the year where you have to clear your back garden. So stay tuned with me. Let me show you how I do the work with my electric I don't know what they call it, whatever. Just stay tuned. So the reason you see those grasses that grows very thick around the fence is because the whole fence here is a dwarf fence. They like doing a dwarf fence. They don't do like that massive fence that you normally see in Nigeria. So the fence is not that good enough. So they had to, do this kind of flower or plant in order to help them to to build up the fence a bit. But I don't like it. It grows very fast. It grows through everything they can see. So that's why you see it, because it's coming from our neighbor side, and when it grows, it's going to grow, cover everywhere. All right, so this is how we shade it off. Ejiri afụfụ anya isi nene ihe eji abọcha ọrụ now, and they use ihe na Nigeria gị na-eme ihe niile enwekwa different ones ihe niile easy n'obodo oyibo. Easy, everything is just easy in abroad. Everything is just easy. Ihe na-akụ kịta bụ 8 mana chika dị 8 na-akụ. Nna ife mama ị na-eme etinye ebutotolu mbe n'ike. So this is the outcome. This is the outcome of it. Do you see how beautiful? How beautiful. Ifo. All the outcome of Iyem rochara rocha. Fuko na amachasi. Fuko ebe niile na ama. Abụ na ọ bụ ya were mma na-atụ tụkpọm tụkpọm tụkpọm. Nke a bụ eletrik ka ndị be anyị si wee kwuo eletrik ka m ji wee sụọ ya eletrik. Whatever thing you like you call it, that is not my business. Asị m eletrik.